Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig book named George's Birthday. Today is George's birthday. It is very early in the morning. Grunt grunt, says George, jumping up and down. Happy birthday, George, says Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. George, woke me up, says Peppa. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig have a present for George. When George opens it, he shouts, "Dinosaur! Grrr!" Ho ho! Squeezes his tummy, says Daddy Pig. George's new dinosaur roars. He he he, laughs George. Peppa has made George a good card. When George opens the card, he shouts, "Dinosaur!" We are going somewhere very special for George's birthday treat, says Mummy Pig. Yippee, says Peppa, and off they all go. The family arrives at the museum. George, what do you like the best in the whole world? Asked Daddy Pig. Dinosaurs, says George. George's birthday treat is a visit to the dinosaur room. Grunt, says George, jumping up and down. Beep beep, roar, says a big great dinosaur. George is very surprised and starts to cry. Don't be frightened, George. It's not a real dinosaur, explains Mummy Pig. George loved the robot dinosaur. Surprise! Peppa and George's friends are here. Mommy Rabbit has made a birthday cake for George. It's a dinosaur cake, says Peppa. Happy birthday, George, shouts everyone. That's one last surprise, says Daddy Pig. Everybody follows Daddy Pig outside. What's that? Asks Peppa, looking at George's surprise. Daddy Pig switches on a pump. It just needs to be filled with air, he says. It's a bouncy castle, cries Peppa. No, it's a dinosaur, a bouncy dinosaur, shouts Peppa. He he he. Grunt, dinosaur, says George. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. See you soon with the next story. Bye bye.